Today we have the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander. This vehicle has done just under 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, media, navigation, and home. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.